Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Joe here. Hope this video will bring a smile on your face. First up, this cat is afraid of this dog. This cat got a headshot from another cat. How to annoy your human?
Bastard.
Even the next cat is afraid of dolls. The next cat can bounce with her human. The next cat knows she is the queen.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a bitch.
Now you will see how self-realization looks like. Next up, these both have a bond.